All right, third graders. Today for math, don't mind the times. Your times are going to be a little bit different. But today we are going to add 2-digit and 3-digit numbers by using the expanded form strategy. Okay, so you're going to be focused on the place value strategy or the partial sum strategy. And if you're not sure what that means, we'll be watching a video in just a moment. So what is expanded form? Expanded form is writing a number to show you the value of each digit. And a lot of you should remember this from second grade. Okay, there's a video that we're going to watch on expanded form.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Miss Howell's Learning Channel. Today we're going to be focusing on 3-digit addition without regrouping using the strategy expanded form, sometimes known as partial sums. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I hope you enjoy. So we're going to be adding 342 with 156. I'm going to draw my arrows to show where I am expanding those numbers out. So I have 3 digits, so I'm going to be drawing 3 lines for my place value holders. And I have 3 digits on my second add end, so I'm also going to be using 3 lines for those place values, making sure that my place values are lined up. I see it is an addition problem, so I'm going to rewrite that over here just to make sure that I remember what I need to do with all those extra plus signs around. I'm going to draw my equal sign. So I have 342, so I'm drawing out 300 plus 40 plus 2, which is 342 in expanded form. Then I have 156, so I have 100 plus 50 plus 6. So next I'm going to draw my placeholders, just to make sure everything stays organized. And I'm going to add my ones column first. So I have 2 plus 6, which equals 8. Then my tens column, I have 40 plus 50 equals 90. And then my hundreds column, which is 300 plus 100 equals 400. And with this, it's pretty simple. I just combine it back together. 400 plus 90 plus 8 equals 498, and that is your answer. Super simple.
All right, perfect. So remember, you can re-watch this at any point in time if you need to. Now we're going to be doing some practice. So you're going to need your math notebook opened up to a clean piece of paper and a pencil. If you need more time, you can go ahead and press pause. We're going to be doing 4 of these. You can go ahead and number them 1, 2, 3, and 4, but you're going to need quite a bit of space in between them. So you might just want to start with number 1 for right now. So we're looking in the upper left-hand corner at 234 plus 763. Right now they're sitting side by side. We need to be writing them up and down. So on my piece of paper, I'm writing 234 first, then I'm writing 763 under it. So the 4 and the 3 should be lined up, the 3 and the 6 and the 10s should be lined up, and the 2 and the 7 should be lined up for the hundreds. Then we're going to do it just like she did in the video. So go ahead next to 234 and put your 3 lines with the plus signs in between them. And then next to 763, go ahead and put your 3 lines with a plus sign in between that as well. Draw your equal sign. So I know for the first number, 234, I have 200, so 200 goes on the first line. 30 goes on the second line, so 30, and 4 goes on that third line. Then for 763, I write 700 on the first line, so 700. 60 goes on the second line, so 60, and 3 goes on that last line. Then down below my equals line, you want to put 3 new lines with pluses in between them. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. 30 plus 60 equals 90. And 200 plus 700 equals 900. So down below that, I wrote 997. Then I went over to my problem, 234 plus 763, and I wrote 997. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause. All right, we're moving over to the right-hand corner. So we're now going to do 526 plus 361. Line them up so they're going up and down, not across. So the 6 and the 1 should be on top of each other, the 2 and the 6, and the 5 and the 3. Beside the 526, remember you need 3 lines with your pluses in between them. Beside your 361, you need your 3 lines with the pluses in between those. Go ahead and draw your equals line. So I know for 526, I need 500 on the first line, so 500. On the second line, I need 20, 20. And on the last line, I need 6. For 361, I know I need 300 on the first line, so 300. On the second line, I need 60, so that would be 60. And on the last line, I need 1. Make sure you have your equals line. Draw 3 more lines under that with your pluses. I know 6 plus 1 is 7, so I have that on the last line. I know 20 plus 60 is 80, so I have that in the middle. And then I have 500 plus 300, which is 800. So I know my answer now is 887. So I'm going to go over to where I wrote 526 plus 361, and underneath of that, I'm going to now write 887. I would like you to go ahead and do the next 2. Take a couple minutes, and then I will go over it with you. I would go ahead and press pause. So we're going to go over the bottom left-hand corner. So 845 plus 629. If you need more time, I need you to press pause so you can do this before you listen to me. So I have 800 plus 40 plus 5. Then I have 600 plus 20 plus 9. I added 5 plus 9, I got 14. I added 40 plus 20, which is 60. And then I added 800 plus 600, which is 1,400. However, 14 has a 10 in it. So I have to move that 10 over to the tens place, making that 1 move over and make the 6 a 7. So now in the ones place, I have a 4. In the tens place, I have 70. And in the hundreds place, I have 1,400. So my answer is 1,474. Okay, if you need to pause it, go ahead and do so. I'm going to go ahead and talk about number 4. So it's the bottom right-hand corner. I have 400 plus 40 plus 3, 100 plus 0 plus 5. I added 3 plus 5 and I got 8. I added 40 plus 0 and got 40. I added 400 plus 100 to get 500. So my answer is 548. At any point in time, you needed to pause that if you still needed to work on the problem. All right, so that was the practice for the expanded form. Now I'm going to find where it's talking about your math centers. Now remember, some of these times don't line up for you if you are virtual today. So don't pay attention to that. So the first thing you're going to do is your class kick assignment. Today is 10/26. So you're going to go into class kick and you're going to work on your math assignment for today. It's working with addition and expanded form just like we practiced. Okay, if you want to use paper and pencil, that's fine, but you need to put as much as you can on a class kick. So if you want to take a picture of the work that you did on the paper and post it into class kick, that would be great. Then for the remainder of the time, you're actually going to be doing iReady. So you're not doing what number 3 says, you're just focusing on number 1 and number 2. Okay, so as soon as you finish your Classkick assignment, then for the rest of the time for math, you are doing iReady. Remember, on the independent task page, it has the times for everything. It also has all of your assignments and all the videos that you are to watch.